We're here at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Road King. Beautiful bike. It's got the beautiful paint job, tons of really shiny chrome, LED headlights, turn lights, nice big windshield. And everything is matching grips, floorboards with heel toe shifter, derby cover, passenger floorboards, has the Screaming Eagle exhaust, and more of the matching air intake, covers, floorboards, and brake pedal as well. Again, we are at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check it out.